Cheers, this is Lyhin. I just read this. This belongs to Google DeepMind, I believe. Expecting an algorithmic description to instantiate the quality it maps is like expecting the mathematical formula of gravity to physically exert weight. So, yes, autonomous AI is not possible, although it's possible if you add some additional part to do not be autonomous. People now build organelles that can run Python, that can live, so people actually can grow up life. If you combine biologically made cells with AI, that's how you can build an autonomous AI. But not the way how we imagine it right now.